Today, many YouTubers are telling you to create AI channels, but the truth is that most of these channels didn't even monetize. Like this channel has thousands of subscribers, but it is not monetized. There are many other AI channels which are not monetized, and I am very sad to see that people didn't even know about YouTube policies. And it is not even their fault. It is the fault of those YouTubers who are giving wrong advice just because they themselves do not understand the guidelines. But don't worry, because today I am going to tell you all the facts related to AI, and I am also going to answer all the myths and questions. But the condition is that you have to watch the whole video, because half knowledge is more dangerous than no knowledge. So now, before I start answering your questions directly, I want you to understand YouTube's perspective and their stand on AI, because if you move forward without understanding this, then even after I answer your questions, you will remain in doubt. And the reason for this is that YouTube has not spoken clearly about AI in their community guidelines or monetization policy. Even no solid statement or rule has come from their side. That's why we will move forward by understanding their perspective and their stand. So the first thing you should know about AI that YouTube has always said that it is always excited to see the creativity of creators with the AI technology, but they will do this while keeping the interest of their creators intact. In simple language for you people to understand, YouTube wants to say that they have no problem with AI, and they want the creators to increase their creativity by using AI. But YouTube does not want anything wrong to happen to the already existing creators or the unique creators who create everything with their hard work. YouTube has always wanted to stand by its unique creators, whose content can easily be stolen, manipulated, or even ignored due to mass production of AI content. And here, YouTube is absolutely right, because they want new creators to come, but they don't want to kick out its old creators. So for this, you can say that YouTube is A. But now, you will say that this thing is not so difficult. Then where is the problem coming from? See, YouTube has always promoted valuable content. Any content that provides value, knowledge, or entertainment is a unique content. And the reason for this is very simple. The entire YouTube company exists on these two words. If these two words were removed, then nothing will be left on them. And people will also stop watching YouTube, and YouTube will shut down. How? I'll explain it now. Suppose there is a guy named X who travels to different places in the world and creates videos on it. And one day a guy named Y sees how X is earning money by uploading his videos, and after seeing this, an idea comes to his mind. He goes to YouTube, downloads X's videos, creates his own channel, and uploads them. X does not know about this, and slowly Y also starts earning money. After this, a guy named Z also sees this, and he also starts uploading videos like Y, but even now X does not know anything about this. Tell me now, whatever happened with X is right. Even if YouTube has no problem with Y and Z's earnings, but is the way Y and Z are earning right? And the direct answer is no. And this is the reason that a reuse content policy exists on YouTube, which saves you from these things. But forget for a moment that such a policy exists, and also forget what is right and what is wrong. Just be concerned about money. Now, what will you do? Just like the content of Y and Z was stolen, in the same way, thousands of people will steal their content and upload it on their channel. And if you as a user open YouTube, what will you see? You will see the same kind of videos on your feed, due to which you will get bored or frustrated, after which you will close YouTube and go away. Or it is possible that you will delete YouTube, because that unique or something authentic is not left. And this is the reason YouTube gives so much value to unique and valuable content, because without it, YouTube has no existence. Now, I hope I have explained YouTube's stand on AI and its core policy to you. And you must have also understood what problem YouTube can have with AI, because through AI, content can be easily duplicated, and even YouTube will not know about it. So the question arises that, what did YouTube do against it? Recently, there are many such news coming in where people have done stock manipulation using AI, attempts have been made to spread violence by creating deepfake videos, and people are being blackmailed by creating fake news about them. And the ones doing all this are none other than humans like us, who may also be creators on YouTube. Now, because YouTube is a social media platform whose job is to deliver content to the people and promote whatever is trending on the social media. Like every social media app has the same algorithm. Now, if such content or videos start appearing in a big company company like YouTube, where an attempt is made to spread violence through deepfake, then chaos will spread all over the world, and YouTube knows this very well. But AI also have some positive sides which the creators are using very well. That is why YouTube has not yet come up with any strict policy on AI. So that people do not get confused between AI content and original content, YouTube has come up with a label. Whenever a creator uploads something on YouTube, the first question asked is, does it show a real person saying something that he has never said? Second, has he manipulated any footage or image? Third, has he generated something that looks real to people but is not real? Every creator has to click on yes or no in this. Only after that the video gets uploaded. If someone has clicked on yes, then something like this will be written in his video. Now YouTube has said that creators have to tick this checkbox themselves, but there are many creators who are not doing this. That is why YouTube itself is reviewing a lot of content, and whatever content it finds fake or manipulative, they are putting labels on it themselves or terminating the video itself. Now comes the question whether you have to tick yes or no in this checkbox. So I will explain this thing, after that I will answer people's queries. So you will have to tick this checkbox only in 6 conditions. The first is deep fake video.
I just dropped like 150 milligram edible and I'm feeling fucking zooted. Honestly, I'm feeling on the neck, on the top floor, right?
If you have shown a public figure or personality doing or saying something that they have not done in real, then you will have to tick yes. The second is synthetic voice.
In fact, I am not even Andrew Tate. I am an artificial intelligence. Don't be fooled. You know what's even better? I am allowed to say the N-word. Nick, you really thought that I would just say the N-word? Of course not.
If you have got your voiceover or narration done by AI, which is a mimicry of a real person's voice or is a clone, then you will have to tick yes in the checkbox. And if you have only used an AI voice, that you have not got the voice of any real person done, then you do not need to click on yes, you can click on no. The third is digitally altered likeness. If you have digitally altered a real person, like the person was actually doing something else, but you have shown something through AI which he is not doing, or you have changed the location or situation of a person and shown it through AI, then you will have to click on yes. The fourth point is modified footage. If you remove or add any person on any footage or historical event, or show something which did not actually happen, then you will have to click yes here. The fifth point is synthetic event. If you show something through an AI or CGI which is not real, then you will have to check yes. The sixth point and the last point is AI-generated news. If you have a news channel where you have a AI-generated avatar or AI-generated voiceover, then you will also have to click yes in this. These were 6 such cases in which you will have to click on yes. Otherwise, YouTube will put the label on its own whenever it reviews your content. Now, to know whether you understood this thing well or not, I want to ask you a question. Suppose I went to visit Statue of Liberty, and after going there, I shot a video of myself, but there were a lot of people in the video, so I removed those people through AI and uploaded the video on YouTube. Should I click on yes or no? The answer is no, because you have not tampered with the reality. Statue of Liberty is where it is, the things around it are the same. You have just removed the people, which is called adjustment. By removing the peoples, no misinformation has been spread, no manipulation has happened. Technically, you have not done anything wrong. That is why you have to click on no. But if I remove the Statue of Liberty and put a statue of Putin there, should I click on yes or no? Then, in that case, I will have to click on yes. Because seeing this many people can be misled and can get confused as to how Putin's statue came up in America. Now, some people have spread the rumor that if you click on yes, then the video will not be monetized. So let me tell you that there is nothing like that. As long as your video is following the community guidelines, it is eligible to be monetized. Your content will be reviewed manually. Nothing extra will happen apart from this. But if you have misused the AI, made a deep fake video, spread misinformation, then your content will not be monetized and it will also be terminated by YouTube. Till now, I have told you what is the stand of YouTube regarding AI. What are the problems of YouTube regarding AI and what all things it has done to keep everything balanced? And I hope 90% of your doubts would have been cleared here. But if you still have some doubts, then don't worry. I am going to explain all those doubts in the form of question and answer. So first of all, a person asked a question that AI-generated content will not be monetized. So the answer to this is that this statement is completely wrong. AI-generated videos are completely monetized if you have added value to it or have given some efforts. For example, Bible in a Nutshell channel is the best example of this because the thumbnail, videos, and voice all are AI-generated, and this channel is monetized. And there are many channels like African Tales by Rebbe, and all the wisdom and stoic motivation channels. All these channels are monetized and AI-generated, and all these channels are earning a lot of money. As I told earlier, YouTube has no problem with AI as long as the uniqueness and value is maintained. Now, a user has asked a question that there are less chances of monetization due to AI voices. Now, this statement is correct to some extent and wrong too. Look, some time back, I had told the story of XYZ. I had told that story because of this question. What is happening is that new AI tools are coming, and they are providing some of their voices for free and keeping some premium. Now, because it is a free thing, all the creators are using it, due to which the same kind of voice is being played on YouTube. It is being repeated again and again. But if you didn't put much effort in your video, and the voice is also like robotic, then YouTube can create a problem for you. In this case, you will be 50% lucky. But if you have used premium AI voice, then you will not have this problem. And in premium, you are getting many different options which will maintain the uniqueness on YouTube. And it also looks real. In many ways, that is why I suggest you that if you use 11 Labs, then it is more beneficial to use its premium voice. And even if you are using free voice, then edit it a little bit. The way our user said that there are less chances of monetizing the channel by using AI voice, this is wrong to some extent, because there are many channels like AI Guy, Vega, which are only using AI voice. And even I am using an AI voice. So the point is that if your video editing is good, then YouTube will ignore your audio. But if the video is bad and the audio is then why will YouTube show your content? And that is why channels like Affirmations are not getting monetized. The next question is, if I clone my voice and use it, will the channel be monetized or not? So yes, the channel will be monetized because the voice is unique to you even if you have cloned it. But if that voice is not of any celebrity or any public figure, then you will not have any problem, as I have told earlier, that YouTube has no problem with AI voices. So the next question is, if we create a script with the AI, will it be monetized or not? So if you have written the prompt correctly for the AI to generate the script, then there is no problem. But if the AI has prepared the script from a very basic prompt and it has provided you something in such a way that it just speaks point by point like a robot, then obviously there will be a problem in monetizing it, because whenever a human is telling something, communicating, he always does it in an expressive way, like they add humor and sentiments. So it totally depends on your prompt. If the prompt is correct and the script is correct in which human element has been added, like it is very expressive or has humor, then that thing is 100% monetized. But if it has just given points, and if you are also just saying points, then that thing will not be monetized because no one will show interest in such videos. So the next question asked is that all the work is being done by the AI and we have not added any value from our side, so will this kind of video be monetized or not? So here you see, if you use any text-to-video software that provides quality content, then you have nothing to fear. Because these videos provide to you is quite human-like, so you do not have any problem in this. But I would prefer you to generate the voice from 11 Labs. And if we talk about the video editing, they done by merging B-rolls, and obviously there is not going to be any issue because a normal editor also does the same work. YouTube wants you to use AI to increase creativity if the script is human-like, if the voice is also premium, and if the editing is also full of B-rolls and transitions. Then you've nothing to fear, just upload quality videos and you'll be monetized by YouTube. So the next person has asked the question that, how long will this kind of content remain monetized? What if YouTube brings a new policy and demonetizes these channels? So in the beginning, I explained YouTube's stand on AI and explained what YouTube's core policy is. That's why I explained it. So I want to tell you that YouTube never creates such a policy which reduces the number of creators. Whatever policy YouTube has created, it is always to prefer authenticity. So as long as you are doing the right thing through AI, you do not need to be afraid. But if you are thinking of doing something wrong, then here, you may have the risk that YouTube may change its policy. So I hope all your doubts have been cleared, and still, if you have any doubts, then I will definitely tell you by comments.